Go.
Do you think school uniforms should be mandatory? Well, I think they don't have to be required because not all students have to wear those tight uniforms. If you wear them and clean them in the washing machine, they might shrink. If the clothes are very thin, you might be freezing out in the wintertime even if you wear a jacket. If the weather is rainy and if you don't have an umbrella, you would be soaking wet. By tomorrow, you would have to wear that soaking wet uniform again. What if you would have to get it repaired? What if your mom accidentally dropped bleach on it? Your uniform would be uniform would become a different color. What if you forget about having a school uniform and wear a different t-shirt? Your teacher will not be very happy to see you not dressed all formal and not in your uniform. If your uniform has several clothes under a cloth, like you would be dripping sweat and getting all hot, so nobody would want to go near you. This one's not likely to happen, but if you wear a uniform on and don't wear a uniform and wear a t-shirt day, people wouldn't be very impressed and give you the cold eye, which means they just stare at you. Now, at the beginning of the year, when you order your school uniforms, you might circle size 1, but the uniform makers might think it was size 2 because you circled halfway to number 2. They might give you the wrong size. If you spill water or any liquid substance on your uniform during school time, you wouldn't be able to change during the whole day if you had to go to an after-school activity right after school. For instance, if your mom donated some clothes and got mixed up and took your uniform with her, you would have to either reorder or go to the donation bin and search for your uniform. These are all the reasons I think school uniforms shouldn't be mandatory.
Well done. I think you gave the best speech today so far. So really well done. I loved your opening. It was great. You opened with a question. Why should we? What was the first line you said?
Do you think school uniforms should be mandatory?
Exactly. So it was a great opening because it's a question and it addresses the audience directly. So it makes me think: do I think school uniforms should be mandatory? And it gets our attention right off the bat. So I thought that was great. You also had a very great tone. I think out of everybody here.